If you're interested in understanding the emergence of pattern, the creation of farmer cluster, how cooperation between farmers can affect sustainability, then we have the answer for you. We developed this tool called FRAMEtest. It's based on an agent-based model. It simulates the interaction between farmers, the contribution of farmer cluster in terms of biodiversity and sustainability.
And the idea is to have a very flexible model. And that means that we can use it for testing, for instance, conversion to organic and to explore and evaluate different degrees of conversion, while at the same time we could explore changes on yield of production due to, let's say, climate change and other phenomena. So it means that what we are providing to the policymaker is it's a sandbox in which you can test different conditions. And I think that's one of the most important advantages of FRAMEtest. We would like to have some feedback about the user interface experience, like if it's easy, if it's complicated, that will be also very important, I believe.